Popping that no dose, drinking that coffee. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore, February 26, 2015. And following an essentially flat trading day on Wednesday, enough to bring the Dow to a record high, and the rest of the indices basically marking time, we're looking at a quiet opening. Based on some big economic news, CPI, the consumer price index, that's inflation at the retail level, was down 0.7%. If you strip out the core food and energy, was actually up 0.2 in January. First-time claims, unemployment insurance popping back above 300,000 to 313,000, a gain of 31,000 in the latest reporting period. Technical factors in that. Durable goods orders coming in for January, and they were up better than expected, 2.8%. Let's check the overseas markets to give you some of the elements affecting the early trading. Nikkei Dow in Japan up just about 1.1%, a gain of 201 points, 18,786 to close there. Hang Seng Hong Kong up 124 at 24,902 at the close. And as we get underway on Wall Street, the Fancy in London down 10 at 69.25. The DAX in Germany up 47 at 11,258. The CAC 40 in Paris up slightly, up 3 at 48.85. Oil back under 50. $49.70 at report time, down $1.24 or 2.4%. Gold up $12 at $1,214. And that's your information. Don't never unless you will. Remember, those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.